So I've been using the iPhone 17 Pro Max for quite some time now, and these are my honest thoughts about this phone after using it for about 60 days. First up, the design this year feels better on paper. I mean, the aluminum unibody should, in theory, make it a little lighter. The new back camera layout is refreshing after so many years, although it's still quite similar to the old one, but in reality, these changes make little to no difference at all. In fact, the aluminum unibody design is more prone to scratches, and this phone is almost as heavy as last year's iPhone 16 Pro Max, thanks to its bigger battery. Overall, the design isn't that big of an upgrade when compared to last year's model. If you're planning to get the 17 Pro models just because of the design, then you might be disappointed. The orange iPhone, for so many people, is losing its color and turning pink. Apple has officially issued a statement on this, and they're saying not to use any kind of liquid product while cleaning the orange iPhone 17 Pro model. PWM dimming technology is helping by putting less strain on the eyes. If you have an iPhone 17, then I highly recommend turning on this one option for a better user experience. The display is superb this year as we are getting a much brighter panel that can go up to 3000 nits of peak brightness. Since I'm using a screen protector on my iPhone, I wasn't able to test the new anti-reflective coating on these iPhones. For me, the safety of the display comes first. For the safety of that aluminum unibody design, I'm using a clear case from ESR. I have some other cases too from Pitaka that go pretty well with my iPhone 17 Pro Max in silver color. I face frequent Wi-Fi disconnections with iOS 26 on the iPhone 17 Pro Max. I updated it to iOS 26.1 and those issues were still there. Now I'm on iOS 26.2 Beta 2 and things are a bit better, but I'm hoping for even more improvements with upcoming iOS versions. Other than these few things, this phone is a monster. The performance is superb, although there are a few hiccups when scrolling across the UI. Once again, thanks to iOS 26. But overall, this phone has better heat management, and the battery life is amazing. If you're not a super heavy user, then this phone will easily last for 2 days. Cameras are about the same as the 16 Pro Max, but things got a little better here, especially with the telephoto camera, and overall processing is better too this year. By the way, that camera control button is still kinda useless for me. I'm not using it at all for 2 years in a row at this point. So, in short, after using the iPhone 17 Pro Max for almost 2 months, it is definitely an amazing phone, but with a few downsides and hiccups that are due to the new aluminum unibody design and iOS 26. If you have an iPhone 14 or earlier, upgrading to this phone would be ideal. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section and tell me which phone you're using right now. With that said, I'll catch you in the next one.